My name is Cory MacIntosh. I'm currently working for the YMCA in Campbellton. I'm a coordinator with the Youth Zone and after-school programs. My job is to pretty well babysit kids and make sure they're safe and do what kids do. We go to the pool, we play different games with them, we do video games, go outside, play soccer, gyms, all different kind of activities. I don't think anybody should be looked different just because of a disability. Yeah, because we always got to think of how to get around different obstacles every day. It's a constant thing. So we know how to handle situations a little better sometimes, not all the time, but we're more keen to finding a second route to handle a situation.
The kids took a liking to him fairly quickly, and I wouldn't say he's the same guy he was when he came in. It's completely different. Well, when it came to Cory, we didn't really hire him based off because his abilities, where he has schooling and everything.
Some employers might look at it different and think maybe he can't handle that job. You got to be in the right mindset to want to be able to work and prove them wrong, that you can do it and you want to.
I think it's been a great success, and he was here on a trial run, and we actually decided to keep him, and he loves working here, so that's a plus.
Someday somebody will say, "Oh, you can't do this," and maybe you think you can, but if you try, maybe you can. You could surprise yourself what you can do.
A truly accessible and inclusive Canada means opportunities today and possibilities tomorrow.